the Second Indochina War, more commonly known as the Vietnam War. The Americans dropped more than 7 million tons of bombs on Laos, Cambodia, and Vietnam, the highest amount in the world, killing millions of both the Communist forces of Indochina and innocent civilians.
Kyaaa Animations, in alliance with Palm Toy Productions, proudly presents Napalm.
One of the bombs dropped on communist positions was the napalm. Napalm is an extremely flammable sticky jelly formed by mixing gasoline or diesel fuel, naphthenic acid, and palmitic acid. The name napalm is a portmanteau of its two elements, aluminum salts of naphthenic acid and palmitic acid. Natural rubber was very scarce during the Great East Asia Pacific War. The Imperial Army and Navy of the Empire of Japan had captured the rubber plantations of Siam, Dutch East Indies, British Malaya, and French Indochina. This made the Americans desperately trying to find an alternative artificial rubber, leading to the discovery of napalm.
Napalm was originally developed in the year 1942 in a convert laboratory at the Harvard University. A team of scientists led by Louis Frederick Fieser under the United States Chemical Warfare Service conduct investigations on the possibilities of using napalm as an incendiary device used in firebombing operations. The Americans discovered that adding a thickening agent to the fuel source will make it stick to the surface and burn longer. By mixing napalm with gasoline, they made a vicious sticky brown liquid which burns slowly at a very high temperature. The original napalm was made with gasoline, naphthalene, and palmitate. However, the modern version, Napalm B, is composed of 33% gasoline, 21% of benzene, and 46% of polystyrene, acting as a thickening agent to slow down the chemical reaction. There are two combustion reactions occurring within napalm.
These chemical reactions create an extremely sticky liquid that burns at a very high temperature. It will stick to its victims and cause severe burns and death. And as we learned from the chemical equations, napalm firestorms combust with oxygen, removing them from the air, turning carbon dioxide into toxic carbon monoxide. These characteristics made it a very successful weapon against the communist forces of Indochina. Even if they could not penetrate into the entire Viet Cong bunker or tunnel, it still combusts and consumes all nearby oxygens and suffocate the enemy inside. But upon direct contact, it will cause unimaginable burning pain to its victims. Unfortunately, enemy soldiers were not the only victims. Dropping napalm from a high-speed aircraft flying at a low altitude was not accurate, resulting in many innocent civilians falling victim to the bomb as well. The napalm bomb became an infamous weapon in the Vietnam War.
Links to sources and background music in the description below. Special thank you to all those who helped in our video.